Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about how to create an affiliate account with AffiliaXe. Before we start, let's talk a bit about AffiliaXe. So, AffiliaXe is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. They provide platforms to affiliates to connect with their brands. When these affiliates bring sales to the brand, the affiliates gets commission via the platform that AffiliaXe provide. Now, when it comes to the sign up process of AffiliaXe, it's not like other networks that we are aware of. The sign up process require approval, and they're very strict when it comes to the approval phase. So that means whatever information that we will fill in to create an affiliate account with them, we have to ensure we put it to the best of our ability so that they may consider us to the network. The other good thing about AffiliaXe is they provide an affiliate manager to the affiliates they approve, which is very good, unlike other networks. So if you want to be a part of affiliates, first you have to be good enough. Second, you get an affiliate manager yourself who could guide you further down the road when you stay affiliated with affiliates. So that's how it works in affiliates. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and create an affiliate account with them. To do that, you can either directly go to their website, and if you don't know, you can just open any web browser on your computer system, go to the search engine and type in AffiliaXe. Instead of T in affiliate, you can mention X, and you will be able to see the website www.affiliaxe.com. So you can click on this and wait for the website to load. Once here, you can click on Get Started. And this is the sign up form, and it asks for the 5 things. We will start entering the first name, last name. And as you can see, the information I'm putting in looks like dummy information, and that's right, since I'm creating this video for educational purpose, so that's why I'm putting it like this. But I would not recommend you to do that, since you will be creating an actual account. So whatever information you fill in, ensure it's accurate, and it's if based on the quality, it looks good, so that they may consider it. In title, you can write title, otherwise it's fine since it's not the required field. And email address. This email address needs to be a correct email address, because you will receive a verification email at this email address, whatever information that you put in here, the email address. And then you can decide the password. Now for password, there is a restriction, so it has to be between 4 to 10 character. So I'm just gonna fill in the password, and then I can click on I'm not a robot. I can click on continue. Now you can see I got this error message. Sometimes you may get a confirmation message that we have sent an email to your email address. Go ahead and check it and click on the link, verification link. But sometimes you may get error message like this. So it's fine. You can just click on OK and go and check your email account. Let's see if you got any email from AffiliaXe. Okay, it's loading. Okay, as you can see, I got this email from them. So as I see it, you can ignore that error message in case if you get it, and simply just go ahead and check your email account, and there will be a link like you can see here. Now this link will only work for 48 hours. So I'm clicking on mine here, and it should take me further to the sign up page. All right, so we're here. In here, we have to start filling in the information. So these are account details. First, it starts with company name or the account name. So in my case, I'm going to enter All About Affiliate Marketing. So all the information that I'm filling in are not correct. They're just dummy. So whatever information you fill in, ensure it's accurate to the best of your knowledge. Right. Let me fill in the address so we can move further. In country, you can select the country of your residence. Okay. I'm just gonna paste the other information here, region, state, so whatever it is, you can fill your own, and then zip code. in phone, you have to mention accurate phone number here. This is another important thing, because when you will click on the last step of the sign up process, you will also get a call from AffiliaXe team. I'm not sure when, but they may even call you, they may ask you more about it. So that's why I put in the correct phone number here. So as you can see, I got this attention as well, and it says the same thing, that this phone verification is needed. So if we are putting the phone number, it should be correct. Okay, now in the website, I can mention my website, which is again dummy, and instant messaging platform. This is for the communication form. So in case if the AffiliaXe team want to connect with us using this messaging platform, they can connect with us. So I can select, for me, I can select WhatsApp. And for my ID, I'm just going to paste in the same phone number that I have pasted above. Okay, now link to your Facebook, LinkedIn, or social network profile to show us you're not a robot. So that's the other thing you have to do. So any social media account that you have to enter the URL for that here. I'm going to fill in mine. And then you have to select the payment method. Now this payment method is for the payment that the commission that you are to receive from them. In case if you bring sales to the brands they have. Okay, so we'll go with PayPal, and then we can click on continue. Now, how would you define your business? This is about affiliate marketing experience that you may have. So you can select whatever whatever you want to choose, and whatever suits your business. So in my case, I'm gonna go with free social media, group pages and FB and all that. How would you describe your experience level? So you can choose whatever suits your experience. I'm gonna go with this. All right. So what does your traffic come from? Where does your traffic come from? So you can select your traffic region here. I can select some here. So you can do multiple selection here as well. Okay. Right. Now, which verticals do you most often work with? You can choose more than one. It's about vertical that you work with. So just gonna choose 3 from here, and let's do 4. Okay, what is your main traffic type? You can select from here as well. Just click on other media. So when you click on other media, it will ask you to mention about it. So I'm just gonna avoid doing that for now. I'll just go with social media, paid ads, and free posts. So as you can see, based on the selection that I'm doing, it's opening up more column in here. So whatever I tick mark, then I have to provide more information in relation to that. So since I have selected social media, what is your primary social network site that you generate traffic from? So I can select from here. But since I do not see YouTube in here, I'm just going to click on other, and I'm going to mention here YouTube. All right. Do you promote offers in social using paid ads, example, Facebook ads, or by using free posts? So let's go with free posts. Again, as I said, be accurate of whatever you're filling in here. But in my case, it's all just dummy for educational purpose. Now, do you market using any type of incentives? You can check whatever it is for you. Are you active on any affiliate marketing forums or online discussion boards? If yes, then go with yes. Fill in the more information. If no, just go with no. And then we have to tell them about our experience. Like, please tell us a bit about your experience in affiliate marketing so far, and what kind of offers you're planning to promote and how. So this is one of those places where we have to be as good as we can, again, just to get the approval from them. Apart from all the other information we have provided, this also is of great importance. So I'm gonna just put in some dummy text in here. And once you're satisfied with whatever you have written here, you can click on continue. Right, so we are almost done. And as I said, AffiliaXe is a different kind of affiliate networks. So unlike other affiliate marketing networks out there, it asks for ID verification as well. So it could be any photo ID issued by the government, your country's government. And so you can read through it. It could be driver's license, passport, or any ID card issued by government. You can either just use a webcam and have it just go through with the webcam and show the photo ID on the webcam, it would work. Otherwise, you can choose the file. So in our case, I'm just going to use a file here. Okay, let me check. All right, this should work. Okay, now the next thing, screenshot upload. Upload an updated screenshot of your account interface from other networks you work with or previously worked with. This step is mandatory. So it is required for, as an affiliate, it's required for the person to have an affiliate account with other affiliate networks as well. And when we have that account, we can go over there, we can take the screenshot in a way where our name, full name, or the account name is appearing, and also our earning. This is very important. As you can see, this step is mandatory. So without experience, it will be tough to even get approval from AffiliaXe. So in my case, I'm just gonna go with cover, which is again a dummy photo. All right. Once you have uploaded your ID photo and the screenshots in here of your other affiliate marketing network accounts, then you can click on, or you can check mark I agree to the terms and conditions. Again, after reading the terms and conditions, you can click here, read the terms and condition, and then click on I agree to the terms and condition, and then click on sign up. You can wait for it. Now again, you may get an error message like this, or you may also get a confirmation that thanks for filling the information. We will review your information and we'll get back to you via phone or via email. So you may get that email or you may get this error message, but in any case, it's fine. You can just click on OK, and rest assured your account with AffiliaXe, your sign up process with AffiliaXe from your end is already done, and you have to give them some time, like probably 3 or 4 days, 3 or 4 business days for them to review your application and take action on it. They'll either directly write an email to you or probably give you a call to ask for more information. Now let's say, and I hope you get approval from them. And when this happens, how would you log in to the AffiliaXe account? To log in, you can go to the website again, which is affiliaxe.com. You can click on sign in and you can enter the email address and password that you have. So I'm going to enter mine, and I'm not a robot, and click on login. Let's click on it again. Can give it a few seconds. Okay, now I got this message. The reason being because my account is not yet activated. For it to be activated, I need the approval of the AffiliaXe team. So once you have the approval, you can just follow the steps that I showed you to log in to your AffiliaXe account. Now, what if you want to reach out to the AffiliaXe team for, let's say you're still waiting for them to be in touch with you and you want to you want to have a word with them? How would you reach out to them? That's the question. To do that, you can go to till the end of their website to the footer section, and you will see the contact us form. So you can fill in your first name, last name, enter your email address, write the message and send it. And then someone from the team will be in touch with you via email. What if you have some question related to AffiliaXe and you want to know, what would you do? In that case, again, you can look on the footer section and click on FAQ, and it should take you to this page where there are some general questions, the other questions as well that you can read through and you can understand. So that's how you can learn a bit about AffiliaXe while you're waiting for the approval. So in this video, I hope I was able to help you and help you understand how to create an affiliate account. And if you have any question related to AffiliaXe network or any question related to affiliate marketing, do let me know in the comment section so that I may try my best to address those questions to the best of my ability. And in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click on the bell icon so that you get notified of any video that I create in the future. Thanks for watching and have a great day.